10 skills, all of them learnable, most of them teachable in under 12 months of serious focus, and all of them with documented earning potential that reaches, and in many cases exceeds, $10,000 a month for people who develop them to a professional level. No degree required for most, no expensive equipment, no particular starting advantage, just the decision to spend the next year building something that pays differently than what you are doing now. Let me tell you something that most people in their 20s feel but rarely say out loud. The salary is not enough. Not because they are greedy, not because they want a luxury lifestyle, because the maths does not work. Rent, food, transport, student debt in some cases, the basic cost of being alive in a major city in 2026. The salary covers it, just. But just is not building anything. Just is not investing. Just is not creating any distance between where you are now and where you want to be. And the frustrating thing is that the people who seem to be pulling ahead, who seem to have breathing room, are not always smarter or more educated. They learned a specific skill that the market pays well for, and they deployed it. That is the entire story. The skill, the deployment, the income that follows. Here are 10 of those skills, with honest context about what it takes to reach the higher end of what each one pays. A quick, honest note before we go through these. The $10,000 a month figure is a ceiling. What skilled, experienced practitioners in these fields can and do earn, particularly as freelancers or business owners in global markets. Most people starting these skills will earn less in the first year. The ceiling is real. It takes time and genuine skill development to reach it. I will give you a realistic starting range and the ceiling for each one. Skill 1, copywriting. Writing words that persuade people to take action. Sales pages, email sequences, advertisements, landing pages. Every business on earth needs this. Good copywriters are genuinely scarce. Starting freelance range, $500 to $2,000 per month in the first year. Experienced copywriters with a strong portfolio, $5,000 to $15,000 per month and beyond. How to start. Study the fundamentals. Books like Ogilvy on advertising and the work of established copywriters. Write practice copy for real businesses. Build a portfolio. Pitch clients. Skill 2, video editing. The demand for video content across YouTube, social media, corporate communications, and marketing has created a sustained shortage of skilled editors. Starting range, $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Experienced editors working with high-volume clients or premium brands, $5,000 to $12,000 per month. How to start. Learn Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Both have extensive free tutorials. Edit for free initially to build a portfolio. Transition to paid clients. Skill 3, paid advertising management. Running paid ad campaigns on Google, Meta, TikTok, and other platforms for businesses that want to acquire customers. This skill directly generates measurable revenue for clients, which is why it pays well. You can demonstrate ROI clearly. Starting range, $1,500 to $4,000 per month managing small accounts. Experienced managers with strong performance track records, $6,000 to $15,000 per month. How to start. Google's free certification courses, Meta Blueprint. Run small campaigns with your own money to learn. Offer to manage campaigns for small local businesses to build case studies. Skill 4, web development and design. Building functional, well-designed websites. This encompasses front-end design, back-end development, and the growing market for no-code and low-code development using platforms like Webflow. Starting range, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Experienced developers, $8,000 to $20,000 per month, and significantly higher for specialized roles. How to start. Free Code Camp and the Odin Project are free comprehensive curricula. Webflow University for no-code development. Build portfolio sites for real or fictional businesses. Skill 5, AI prompt engineering and automation consulting, helping businesses implement, optimize, and automate processes using AI tools. This is the skill most directly aligned with the 2026 economy. Businesses understand AI is changing their operations. Most do not know how to implement it effectively. The people who bridge that gap are in growing demand. Starting range $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Experienced consultants $8,000 to $20,000 per month. How to start: deep practical experience with current AI tools. Build automations for real workflows. Document the results. Position yourself as the person who makes AI practical for businesses in a specific industry you already understand. Skill 6, sales. Specifically, high-ticket closing. The ability to have sales conversations that convert prospects into clients for high-value products and services. Skilled closers are among the highest paid people in any industry because their output is directly measurable revenue. Starting range: commission-based income that could be $2,000 to $5,000 per month for a beginner in the right environment. Experienced high-ticket closers: $10,000 to $30,000 per month in commission income. How to start: books on consultative selling, entry-level sales roles in industries with high-ticket products. The skill compounds rapidly with practice and feedback. Skill 7, search engine optimization, helping businesses rank higher on Google and other search engines, generating organic traffic that converts to customers. Businesses pay consistently for this because the results are durable and measurable. Starting range: $1,000 to $3,000 per month managing small accounts. Experienced SEO consultants with proven results: $5,000 to $15,000 per month. How to start: RF's Academy and Google's own SEO documentation are free. Apply what you learn to a personal website or blog to build a track record before pitching clients. Skill 8, financial modeling and analysis, building financial models, valuations, and analytical frameworks for businesses, investors, and finance professionals. This skill is highly valued in investment banking, private equity, corporate finance, and financial consulting. Starting range in a corporate role or early freelance: $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Experienced practitioners, particularly in high finance contexts or as independent consultants: $10,000 to $25,000 per month. How to start: CFI, Corporate Finance Institute, and Wall Street Prep offer structured curricula. Excel in financial modeling practice is available freely online. If you have a finance background, the transition to higher value work is often a positioning question, not a knowledge gap. Skill 9, UX and product design. Designing digital products, apps, platforms, software interfaces that are intuitive, functional, and enjoyable to use. The demand from technology companies globally for skilled UX designers has been sustained and significant. Starting range: $3,000 to $6,000 per month in a junior role or early freelance. Experienced UX designers at established companies or as independent consultants: $8,000 to $18,000 per month. How to start: Google UX Design Certificate on Coursera is a well-regarded entry point. Figma, the industry standard design tool, has a free tier and extensive tutorial resources. Build a portfolio of case studies showing your design thinking process. Skill 10, content strategy and ghostwriting. Creating and strategically managing content for executives, founders, brands, and media organizations. As AI generates more undifferentiated content, human-led strategy and authentic voice become increasingly valuable. Starting range: $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Experienced strategists working with premium clients, $5,000 to $15,000 per month. How to start. Write consistently and publicly. Build an audience or a body of work. Position yourself in a specific niche where you have genuine knowledge or interest. Approach clients whose content you could credibly improve. Let me show you what 12 focused months on one of these skills could change. Current situation. Someone earning $42,000 a year in a standard role. Monthly take home. Approximately $2,800 after tax depending on country. They choose video editing. They spend 12 months building the skill, evenings and weekends. They build a portfolio of 5 strong projects. They land their first 2 paying clients at $500 per project each month. Month 12, supplemental income, $1,000. Month 18, they have refined their craft, raised their rates, and have 4 regular clients. Monthly freelance income, $3,500. Month 24, they transition to full-time freelancing or use the proven income stream to negotiate a significantly better role. Income, $6,000 to $8,000 per month. The 12 months of focused skill building produced a 2 to 3 times income multiple over 2 years. Not from a promotion, not from waiting, from a decision made in month 1 to build something the market pays well for. Here is how to move from list to action. Step 1. Pick one skill, only one. The most common mistake is consuming lists like this one without choosing. Choosing one means starting. Starting means learning. Learning means earning. Choose based on 2 criteria: genuine interest. You will spend significant time on this, so indifference is a disadvantage, and market demand in your region and the global remote market. Step 2. Find the best free resource for that skill and start it this week, not next month, this week. Every skill on this list has high-quality free learning resources. I mentioned specific ones for several. Start there before spending money on courses. Step 3. Build in public or build a portfolio from day 1. Document your learning. Share your work. Create examples even if they are not for paying clients yet. The portfolio comes before the clients. The clients come because of the portfolio. Step 4. Land the first paid project at whatever rate clears the bar. The first paid project is not about the money. It is about breaking the threshold from learner to practitioner. Lower your rate to clear that threshold. Raise it with every subsequent client as your results speak for themselves. Step 5. Reinvest early income into the financial foundation. As freelance income develops, direct it to the investment accounts and debt elimination covered in earlier videos on this channel. High income without financial structure produces lifestyle inflation, not wealth. The skill creates the income. The financial system we have built through this channel turns that income into long-term wealth. Here is the reframe. Your income is not fixed. It is not determined by your degree, your job title, your city, or your starting point. It is determined, increasingly in a remote-enabled global digital economy, by what you can demonstrably do for someone else's business. The skills on this list are learnable. They are in demand. The market for them is global and largely accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. The ceiling is real for everyone who reaches it. The path to the ceiling begins with one decision. Which skill, starting this week? 10 skills, all learnable, all in demand, all with earning potential that changes what is possible in your financial life, not in some abstract future, but within a 2 to 3 year window of focused effort. You do not need to pursue all 10. You need to pursue one, seriously, consistently, with a portfolio and real clients as the goal. And let the income that develops fuel the financial foundation this channel has been building with you. The salary that does not quite work is not a permanent condition. It is the starting point that a well-chosen skill can change. Pick the one that fits who you are and what you are willing to build. Then start this week. Not when things settle down, not when you have more time this week. Because the ceiling that seems far away from here is only reachable from the direction of having started. Drop a comment and tell me, which of these 10 skills are you most drawn to? And what is genuinely stopping you from starting it? Time, money, uncertainty about where to begin. Tell me the skill and the obstacle. I read every comment, and I will tell you exactly where I would start if I were in your position. If you know someone who is stuck in an income that is not working and has never thought about what a high income skill could change for them, share this video. The list took 4 minutes. The decision it triggers could take 2 years to pay off. That is a good trade. Subscribe to Nuella Invests. Every week, we build the income, the knowledge, and the financial system that turns where you are into where you are trying to go. See you in the next one.